Chapter 4. Normal operating procedures. Checks after takeoff. A. Safely airborne, correct climbing attitude, wings level. B. Accelerate at full power. C. Apply brakes momentarily to stop wheels rotating. D. Height 150 feet, speed 50 knots, select and check flaps at flaps 1 position. E. Height 300 feet, speed 70 knots, select flaps to flaps 0 position. F. Reduce engine RPM to below 5,300 or by 10%, whichever is less. G. Landing light off. H. Check engine parameters within limits. Questions. Question number 1. What should be ensured first after takeoff? A. Accelerate at full power. B. Safely airborne, correct climbing attitude, wings level. C. Apply brakes momentarily to stop wheels rotating. D. Select flaps at flaps 1 position. Question number 2. What should be done to stop the wheels from rotating after takeoff? A. Apply brakes momentarily. B. Reduce engine RPM. C. Select flaps to flaps 0 position. D. Turn off the landing light. Question number 3. At what height and speed should the flaps be checked at flaps 1 position? A. Height 100 feet, speed 40 knots. B. Height 150 feet, speed 50 knots. C. Height 200 feet, speed 60 knots. D. Height 250 feet, speed 70 knots. Question number 4. At what height and speed should the flaps be selected to flaps 0 position? A. Height 100 feet, speed 40 knots. B. Height 150 feet, speed 50 knots. C. Height 300 feet, speed 70 knots. D. Height 350 feet, speed 80 knots. Question number 5. What should be done with the engine RPM after reaching a height of 300 feet? A. Increase engine RPM to maximum. B. Reduce engine RPM to below 5,300 or by 10%, whichever is less. C. Maintain engine RPM at 5,500. D. Turn off the engine. Question number 6. When should the landing light be turned off after takeoff? A. After reaching a height of 150 feet. B. After reaching a height of 300 feet. C. After reducing engine RPM. D. After checking engine parameters. Question number 7. What should be checked after turning off the landing light? A. Flaps position. B. Engine parameters within limits. C. Altimeter setting. D. Fuel quantity. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.